Everyone, in today's video we will fix a KitchenAid dishwasher drip tray filling, leak, check, float switch and a drain fix. So the fix one, you can check for loose or damaged hose. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Pull the dishwasher slightly forward. Then you can check the water inlet hose and drain hose for the crack or loose connection. And tighten any loose clamp or replace the damaged hose. Fix 2, you can inspect the door gasket. Open the dishwasher door, check the rubber gasket around the door for crack, gap or dirt and then clean it with a damp cloth. If it's torn or worn out, replace it. The fix 3, you can check the float switch. Remove the lower front panel, kick plate, look for the float switch near the base, make sure it moves freely and is not stuck and clean around it and reset the dishwasher. The step 4, you can simple look for overfilling. Run a short wash cycle. Watch if the water level rise to higher. If yes, the water inlet valve may be faulty and replace the inlet valve if needed. Goodbye.